Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our intention is to wake up our body and feel energized and coming closer to Allah. Bismillah. Take a deep breath in. For the next 10 minutes we're not gonna worry about anything. Extend your legs, straighten your back and engage your thighs. Pull your belly in and your hands are by your side. Let's draw big circles with our toes in one direction. This is a perfect exercise for the morning. It's easy and it's great for blood circulation. Let's draw circles also in the opposite direction. Remember, straighten your back and relax your shoulders. Now lift your hands up and draw circles with both your ankles and your wrists at the same time. Let's switch to the other side and feel your muscles. Excellent. Release your arms. Massage a bit your knees. Grab your thigh with your hands and bring your knee up. Now lift your knee and push your leg forward. Then bring it slowly back up. Inhale, bend and exhale, lengthen. Let's do this 5 more times. Now let's make the opposite flow. Bring your thigh to your chest and first thing you lengthen and then you lift your knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lift. Excellent job. Relax your leg and now let's switch to the other side. Inhale as you straighten your leg and exhale, lift it up slowly and with control. Now let's do the opposite direction. Inhale, you push your leg forward, exhale, extend. Okay, good job. Now when you feel ready, sit tall and grab both your thighs. Inhale, lift the knees up, exhale, lower them down. Inhale up, exhale down. Try to keep your balance and keep your spine straight. It can be a bit challenging at the beginning, but you'll find your flow. Now let's switch direction. Inhale, extend, exhale, lift. Slow movements with control. You don't need to extend them too much, just move it a bit. Now you can relax and find a seated position on your mat. Hold your ankles if it feels comfortable. Lengthen your spine and do slow movements with your knees up and down. This exercise releases pelvic tension, especially for those of us, almost all of us, who sit all day in front of a desk. We're gonna do this for 1 more minute, so for this minute, empty your mind and just feel the movement. Okay, Now come to a seated position. Sit tall and find the root in your sit bones. Let's do some small circles of our hips. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, lean back. If it feels comfortable for you, you may do bigger circles. Whatever works for you. Just make sure your sit bones are rooted and you are feeling the movement. Now let's circle into the opposite direction. Start small and then make the circle bigger. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, roll back. The reason we focus so much on the movement or on the breath, it is because this way we can control our nervous system. Or in other words, we can control our body and we can relax our mind. And if your mind is relaxed, it's easier to direct all your thoughts to Allah. With all this in mind, we can move to a deeper, more focused hip opener. So extend one leg and grab your ankle and your knee with your arms. If this feels comfortable for you, you may now rock from side to side. But if you prefer a bit more of a challenge and it feels comfortable, grab your arms together. Rock from side to side and adjust your position so you don't feel any joint pain. This exercise is meant to release tension and improve hip mobility, so no forcing of the joints. Keep rocking and relax your shoulders, relax your hips. For a safe release from this position, slowly hold your foot and circle your knee forward 2 times. Great job. Now let's grab the opposite leg, one hand at the knee and the other hand at the ankle, and slowly rock from side to side. Again, if it feels comfortable and if your knee is flexible, you may grab both your hands together. The point is you should have no pressure on your joints. Relax your shoulders, relax the other leg, relax all the muscles you do not need right now, your eyes, your jaw, and just keep rocking. Let's release our legs safely and slowly, so with support on your hands, circle your knee forward 2-3 times. Good job. Let's come to a tabletop position and do some spinal waves. Make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. Inhale, arch your back, look slightly up. Exhale, round your back and look towards your navel. Make sure you feel comfortable in this position and sync your breath with the movement. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round your back, look down. On your next inhale, arch your back and lift your right leg up. Exhale, round your back and bring your knee to your chest. Find your own pace. It doesn't matter how many you do. Just move with control and safety. Let's switch to the other leg. Inhale, point your toes, lift your leg, look up. Exhale, bring your knee to your chest. Keep moving at your own pace, feel energized, and don't worry if you lose your balance. You can just find it again. Great job. Now come to a tabletop position and slowly lift your knees up, push your hands on the ground, bend your knees and wiggle your feet, switch sides and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Relax your head. Let's take one deep breath in this position. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, walk your feet forward and lengthen your spine into a halfway lift. Exhale, round your spine, bend your knees and fold forward. And now inhale, slowly, vertebra by vertebra, lift yourself up and keep your head down until you reach the top. If you have any heart issues, you may skip the next exercise or take it slowly. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, bend your elbows into cactus. Inhale, up. Exhale, cactus. Let's do it a bit faster now. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The faster you do it, the more vitalizing this exercise would be for you. Let's do this 10 more seconds as fast as you can. This gives an energy boost and mental clarity. Good job. Exhale and relax. To finish our practice, for your next breath, we empty our mind from all the stress and we say inhale, Bismillah, exhale, Alhamdulillah. Inhale, Bismillah, exhale long, Alhamdulillah. Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. For our last minute here, keep doing this. With every inhalation say Bismillah and every exhalation Alhamdulillah. And if your mind flies, don't worry, just bring it back to our Dhikr. Thank you so much for watching, and you may continue with every exhalation of today. Say Alhamdulillah.